Well, let me just take you back, maybe 25 years ago. And my mentors were Ron Clark at Rutgers University, the founder of situational crime prevention, and David Weisberg, who is an experimental criminologist. That early influence, we did a very significant randomized controlled trial with my colleague Anthony Braga at the time on problem-oriented policing in violent crime places. And it was an exceptionally difficult experiment to conduct because every single violent crime place needed a different intervention. So experimental criminology doesn't handle different interventions at different places very well because it assumes equal intervention in the different places that we were targeting. So my separate research at the same time, I was working in Oakland, California in America, looking at 371 crack houses. And I was looking at the police interventions at the time, and the multi-agency teams were systematically going to the crack houses and using civil remedies, the regulations that the different team members had to go consistently to the places. So on the one hand, I had a very consistent intervention team working in Oakland, California, compared to a very difficult set of problem-oriented policing interventions at the time that were happening in Jersey City when I was working with Anthony Braga and David Weisberg. And what I found was that the police actually could develop the partnerships much more consistently. The depth of the partnerships were developed more sustainably with the consistent partnerships. And so that really was the starting point of my work. So it was very much inspired by problem-oriented policing, but it took a different step to say what the value of third-party policing is the consistency of the partnership.